man?
Yeah, I'm the Dill man, and I'm just about to do the belly smacker.
Sure.
Ow! Ow! Oh, jeez! Ow!
Are you jealous? Look how red it is.
What about my back? My name's Dylan Colburn, and I'm gonna do a retarded rant.
You idiot. He hit the fence.
I'm Dylan Colburn, and I'm going to turn into my imaginary gopher. Aren't you jealous that I can move so much better than you? Oops.
Ta-da. 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 Look at me again. You're so jealous.
Okay, now I'm going to turn myself back. Oh, yes. I'm Dylan Colburn, and I'm going to break dance. That's no problem.